Hello and welcome to English class. Dear students, my English book 1 focuses on enrichment of vocabulary through picture reading, picture word association activities. The textbook educates the principle of word as a whole image approach. So, let's know new words. Apple. Apple. It begins with letter A. Ant. It begins with letter A. Axe. It begins with letter A. Egg. It begins with letter E. Elephant. It begins with letter E. Insects. It begins with letter I. Ink. It begins with letter I. Injection. It begins with letter I. Oil. It begins with letter O. Orange. It begins with letter O. Ox. It begins with letter O. Umbrella. It begins with letter U. Umpire. It begins with letter U. Now it's time to write the letters. A. E. I. O. U. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowels. See you in the next video. Take care and be happy. Bye. Thank you. Thank you for watching.